The 2023 Alarm Survey confirmed that pothole repairs in England and Wales have fallen to the lowest figure in a decade, as inflation puts a squeeze on council budgets, which have already been reduced in the last few years. Although necessary for the safety of the network, filling in potholes shouldn't be considered a success, but a failure. The only way to improve this situation is to stop the potholes forming in the first place. Through the appropriate planned application of treatments, before the development of serious surface and structural defects such as potholes, road conditions can be managed and maintained far more effectively. Road lifespans can be extended, potentially indefinitely. Previous research from the Asphalt Industry Alliance has shown that it is 20 times more expensive to carry out reactive maintenance, such as filling potholes, than planned, preventative maintenance. Surface dressing presents one of the best proactive solutions. Surface dressing is the most cost-effective method, both financially and environmentally, to improve skid resistance, sealing the road surface, which stops the ingress of water, helping to prevent potholes appearing in the first place. Proven technology using polymer-modified, high-performance bituminous emulsions are now used together with modern plant and equipment. The development and introduction of proprietary finishes, while providing all the benefits mentioned previously, has further improved the chip retention, providing a new road look for a fraction of the cost. This means that typically, a 6-meter wide road that is 1 kilometer long can be surface dressed for approximately £30,000 and has a service life of 10 to 15 years. Importantly, at a time when many councils have declared climate emergencies and are looking at ways to decarbonize their maintenance processes, surface dressing remains one of the most carbon-efficient processes available. According to the new carbon emissions for road surface and other maintenance treatments report and guidance, the average amount of CO2 from surface dressing works is only 0.175 kg per square meter. It uses up to 75% less bitumen and up to 80% less aggregate per square meter than thin surface, asphalt, courses. If the same road was surface dressed, with a 10/6 racked-in dressing, the same site will be overlaid directly, with approximately 100 tons of chippings. That will equate to a 75% reduction in transport movements. By taking the required decisions to adopt longer-term strategies, to future-proof roads and act early to prevent, rather than cure road defects, local authorities can achieve significant cost and environmental advantages.